Since raising the minimum wage this year, the Moon administration has vowed to support small business owners who were hit the hardest by the wage hike. Today, the National Tax Service announced a series of measures to reduce their burden. Kim Hyesung tells us more.
Korea's National Tax Service, or NTS, said Thursday it will postpone tax audits or scrap them entirely for around 5.7 million self-employed people and small businesses till the end of 2019. The self-employed and small business owners account for over a quarter of Korea's working population, and they have been hit the hardest by a hike in the minimum wage this year of 16% and by sluggish domestic consumption. The tax audit exemption applies to those in wholesale, retail, food, and lodging services, but does not apply to high-income earners like lawyers and doctors or real estate businesses. NTS Commissioner Han Seung-hee said the agency hopes this will help around 5.2 million self-employed at lower income levels when they file their income tax and value-added tax and let them focus on their businesses. It's estimated that postponement through the end of next year will apply to around 500,000 small businesses with sales of between 1 billion and 12 billion Korean won, or around 900,000 to 1.6 million US dollars. He also emphasized that those suspected of tax evasion will still be thoroughly investigated. In addition, the NTS will create a task force on taxes to support innovative growth, which will provide customized support and make the tax reporting system easier for startups. For self-employed people facing financial difficulties, the National Tax Service will extend the tax payment deadline and help them by deferring or canceling foreclosures. Lastly, the NTS promised to work on its job stabilization fund to support those hit by the minimum wage hike. Kim Hyesung, Arirang News.